How are you? How are you? Hello. How are you? Okay. I'm happy to get this opportunity to perform for you, right? Right? I see you are happy. You're even dancing. I'm so glad. Thank you very much. My name is Khuzani. I'm coming from South Africa. I'm representing Maskandi genre from South Africa. I'm the king of Maskandi. As you see my costumes, right? So I hope you did enjoy my songs, right? Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I'm gonna perform the last song now. I want to dance with you. Right. Are you able? Yes, like that. Yes, exactly.